requires a single pull of the trigger for each shot, therefore it is not a machine gun. However, the ATF has unilaterally decided that it is a machine gun, despite them saying it wasn't for a long time, which allowed a lot of people to purchase them completely legally and own them and use them completely legally. In a very similar situation, a solvent trap for a long time was completely legal to buy, and then you could, if you wanted to, turn it into a silencer or suppressor by submitting a Form 1 with the ATF. The ATF has ruled on that multiple times that was completely legal, and then of course they once again just arbitrarily said overnight that they were illegal. So what they're doing now is going door to door. You know, I've made videos on this in the past, and people say, what are they going to do, come take them all? Well, it looks like the beginning of that has started.